this? Do, okay, so I will introduce you to Stucky. This is Stucky. Okay, so yeah, so Stucky is a student like you. So let us see, where do Stucky want to go? Okay, Aaron, what are the places you see? What are the places you see on the screen? Can you read them? What is this? This is. What is this, Aaron? This is a library. Library. Okay. Okay, very good. This one is. What is this? It is. This is where you study. This is school. School. Okay, very good. Now, how about this one? What is this? This is where you ride. This is where you ride. Okay, so let us proceed. Where do Stucky want to go? So our topic for today is prepositions of place. Okay, can you say it? Prepositions of place. Okay, Aaron, say it. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's proceed. Oh, Stucky. Okay, so there is the girl on the screen, Erin, that wants to explore. So where is the girl? Okay, there she is. What is the name of the girl? Okay, very good. I'll give you your first star. So Pretty is, what do Pretty wants to do? What do, what does Pretty want to do? Can you read this? Exploring towns is interesting. Okay, very good. So, why are towns great? Okay, so let us see the place where Pretty wants to go. Okay, let's go. Okay, Aaron, let me ask you, Aaron, why do you think towns are great? This is where what you can see in the town. What is your favorite place in the town? L- What is your favorite place here in town? Look at your screen. Okay, you like park. Why do you like park? What are you doing? What will you do in the park? Okay, very good. You play. We can play in the park, and that's very fun. Okay. Okay. So, Aaron, we are going to read the different places in town. Let's start here. What is this? Can you read this? What is this? Very good. How about this one? Oh, that's right. This one. Wow, do you know how to swim? Do you do you go to the swimming pool? Oh, I see. How about this one? That is castle. Again. Okay, one more time. Castle. Okay, Aaron, this is where the kings, the princess live in the castle. This one is, okay, what is this, Aaron? What is this? Cinema. Cinema. Okay, that's right. Fruit shop. Bookshop. Restaurant. Park. And this is your favorite place. Okay, station. Oh, what happened? Okay, museum. And what is this? Hospital. Okay, so we are going to click, we are going to know what are the places Stucky would like to go. Okay, so let us watch. Okay, Aaron. Okay, this one, the first is this one. Fruit shop, very good. I'll give you another star, Aaron. Very good. So the man, this man is in front of the fruit shop. Okay, the man is in front of the fruit shop. Where is the man? Where is the man? In front. Okay, in front of the fruit shop. Very good. Okay, can you locate where is the ball? In front, in front, in front of the, what is this? Box. Okay, very good. In front of the box. Okay, let's proceed to the next destination of Stucky. Okay, what is the next destination? The okay, restaurant. Okay, so where is the man now? Where can we find the man? Okay, he is above. Okay, say it above. Okay, above the restaurant. Okay, how about this one? Where is the ball? It is above the box. Again, above the box. Above the box. Okay, very good. Okay, another star for you. Okay, and what is the third destination of Stucky? Oh, what's the third destination? Okay, very good. The hospital. And where is the man now? Okay, but where is he located? He is behind the hospital. Okay, again, the man is behind the. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's proceed now. Okay, now Aaron. Okay, you are going to drag the ball on the correct place. Okay, you listen on my instructions. Okay, so I'll give you the authority to drag the ball. Now, Aaron, first, drag the ball behind the box. Okay, drag the ball behind the box. Where is the behind? Behind the box. Behind the box. That is this behind? Behind. Behind the box. Okay, very good. Very good. Now drag the ball in front of the box. In front. Very good again. And drag the ball above the box. Above the box. Okay, very good. Very good. I'll give you another star for that. Okay, let's proceed. Very good, Aaron. Now, can you click on the picture, Aaron, that shows the correct picture that I'm going to say? Okay, what picture shows that the boy is above the restaurant? The boy is above the restaurant. You click the picture. You click the picture that shows the boy is above the restaurant. Okay, what picture? Okay, Aaron, you click the picture. Where is the picture that shows the boy is above the restaurant? Where is the restaurant here? Oh, very good. Very good, Aaron. Very good. Okay, another star for you. Okay, let's proceed, Aaron. Okay. Okay, Aaron. We will reveal the picture and we are going to know what is the location. Oh, where is the man? Where is the man? In front. What is this? What is this? This is the very good fruit shop in front of the fruit shop. Okay, very good, Aaron. How about this one? Where is the man now? Above, above the restaurant. Okay, very good. And this one. The man is. Oh, Aaron. I cannot see you anymore. Okay, there you are. Okay, so where is the man now? Behind. Behind the. Okay, very good. One star for you. You have 6 stars now. Okay, how about this one? Where is the cat? In front of the. Oh, very good again. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, Aaron, I cannot see you anymore. Where are you, Aaron? Oh, okay, Aaron. Now we are going. Okay, we're going to see the places where Stucky passed by. Okay, so what is the first place? Aaron, this is restaurant and. Okay, very good. So where is the man now? The man, the man is between. Again, the man is between the castle and the restaurant. Come on, say it? The man is between the castle and the restaurant. Aaron, where are you? I cannot see you, Aaron. Oh, there you are. Why are you hiding from me? Are you hiding from me, Aaron? Oh, you're hiding again. Okay, Aaron, now let's proceed. Oh, so what is this? What? Okay, the man is opposite. Opposite. Okay. Oh, very good. Yes, thank you for participating. You now have 7 stars. And the last place. Okay, what is this now? Okay, the man is beside the library. Beside. Again, the man, library. Okay, very good. Okay, okay, now, Aaron. Okay, so drag the picture on the boxes above based on the directions that I'm going to give you. Okay, the first errand is the ball is between the two boxes. Okay, Erin, you drag the picture that shows the ball is between the two boxes. What picture shows that the ball is between the two boxes? Erin, you drag the picture. Uh-oh. The ball is between the two. You drag it here. The first. Okay. Oh, very good, Erin. I'll give you 2 stars for that. Though I cannot see you, but you're correct, Erin. Congrats. Congratulations. Okay. Oh, you're hiding again. So let's proceed now. Okay, another picture, Erin. Which picture shows that the boy is opposite the swimming pool? Okay, you click on the picture that shows that the boy is opposite. Oh, where? Wow, very good. Very good. Another star for you. You now have 10 stars. Okay, Erin, let's proceed. Okay, Erin, where is the man? Bet- between. Between. The man is between the cats. Okay, very good. Again, where is the man? What is the location of the man? Between. Okay, that's right. Very good. Now, how about this one? Where is the man? Opposite. Opposite. Opposite to the swimming pool. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, Aaron, now, can you see the cat? Can you see the cat? Oh, you don't see the cat. There is the cat, Aaron. The cat. Okay, now. Okay, can you see it now? Oh, yeah. So, do you have a cat? Do you have a cat at home? No? Okay. So, where is the cat now, Aaron? The cat is Here. The cat is here also, Aaron. Look at the cat. It's also here. Okay, so what is the location of the cat? The cat is behind the shop. Again, the cat is behind the shop. Okay, say it. Where is the cat? The cat is behind the shop. Okay, you say it so we can proceed to the next slide if you will not speak or we will stuck in the slide. Okay, you say it. Cat is behind. Okay, okay, that's behind. Shop. Okay, very good. How about this one? Where is the cat? This is the hospital. Where can you find the cat? In front of the hospital. The cat is in front of the hospital. Okay, Aaron, next. Where is the cat now? This is the restaurant. Where is the cat? Is above. Aaron, I cannot see you. Aaron, where are you? The cat is above the restaurant. And this picture, where is the cat? The cat is between the castle and the restaurant. Oh, I see you now. So where is the cat? Between the castle and the restaurant. Okay, say it. The cat is between the castle and the restaurant. Aaron. Okay, Aaron. So let's proceed now. Can you see the bike, Aaron? Where is the bike? The bike is in the park. Okay. Where is Grandpa? Aaron, where is Grandpa? Behind the museum. Okay. Or you can also say opposite to the restaurant. Okay, next, Aaron. Where's the plane? Where's the plane? Above the castle. Above the castle. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, Aaron, what is the location of the man? Okay, you repeat after me. In front of. In front of. Again, in front of. In front of. Aaron, the fruit shop. Okay, this one. Where is the man? Above the restaurant. Above the restaurant. Okay. Third picture. Behind the hospital. Behind the hospital. Aaron, behind the hospital. Between the castle and the restaurant. Between. Okay. Okay, next. Opposite to the swimming pool. Opposite to the swimming pool. And beside the library. Beside the library. Okay, Aaron, now you click here to get your prize. You click here to get your prize, Aaron. Oh, so your prize is a man next to the library. Okay, Aaron, very good. I'll give you 3 stars. You now have 13 stars. Okay, Aaron, we now come at the end of our lesson. Aaron, where are you? We now come at the end of our lesson. Bye bye, Aaron. Bye bye. See you next time. Good night. Sweet dreams. Bye bye.